Alright, here we go. We've got our Amazon Alexa there providing us with some good old music, and let's do a little bit of cutting here. We'll see real quick what happens to these poor potatoes. The sweet potatoes oxidize really fast, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them as best as I can and then dump them into the pan where hopefully they will cook relatively quickly. Who knows? This is my first time cooking sweet potatoes, so I don't know what I'm doing. I usually cook regular potatoes, but why not try something new, right? Try something fun and new. There we go. Dump those in there, and hopefully they'll start cooking. Get a little fire going. See, this was just cut, and it was perfectly sort of yellowish.
Likey.